So have you seen lots of signs throughout your neighborhood? Or maybe you've been thinking about selling it and you wonder, do open houses work? Well, stick around today as we talk about that, and then I'll let you in on a little secret. Hi, I'm Jake Tysiak, a real estate agent here in Illinois, and today we're talking all about open houses. Okay, so if you've ever seen a reality TV show and you're expecting tons of buyers to come out to your home and have multiple offers, I have to let you know that's not how it works. So if those are your expectations, no, open houses probably aren't going to work for you. And you can't expect to have an open house every single weekend and still have constantly people coming in. Ultimately, how an open house performs is going to depend on the market, the location of the house, as well as the home itself. If open houses don't work, why would agents sit open houses or even recommend them? Well, here's a little secret. They're looking for buyers. So during an open house, really what they're trying to do are find buyers who haven't yet decided on an agent and that they can work with and represent, ideally to sell your house. But if they purchase a home, it's still a win for the agent. Now, before you click off this video, understand there are a couple things you can expect from an open house. First of all, with an open house, you really want to make it an event and something unique, not that just happens every weekend. So during that time, you can still get people coming through, and part of that will be with buyers who are actually working with agents, but for whatever reason, the agent couldn't show the home. Maybe they're already booked for the weekend, maybe they only work part-time, but buyers are still interested, or they might just say, hey, go take a look at these open houses. So you will still get buyers through. Of course, there will be other buyers who just haven't decided yet on a realtor. But on top of that, you'll also be able to gauge a little bit how the market's responding to your home. Based on some of the feedback and the features from the home, we'll get an idea of where it stands compared to other homes, as well as be able to get some buyers who are coming through and get their response firsthand, which is always great. But probably the biggest benefit is the fact that we're going to gain lots of exposure when we do your open house properly. See, the problem what most agents will do is simply just take the home, put it in the MLS and say, hey, we're having an open house. They'll put out a handful of signs as well throughout the neighborhood and maybe post it on social media on their personal page to help gain some interest. So how do we get the most out of an open house? Well, first we're going to need some time. We simply just can't decide on Thursday to then hold an open house over the weekend. We really need to make this event and stand out because an open house is a unique opportunity for us to market your home, much like a sale. It's a specific event, not something that's held week after week. Now, obviously, when you're trying to sell something, pictures are a great way to start. Now, when we've listed your home, we've already had our professional photographer come out, take pictures of your home so it's accurately represented, which is a great starting point. But on top of that, we take it one step further and make sure that we do a video that really promotes a couple rooms in the home, the highlights, the spots that you really love that will translate to the next homeowner. Maybe it's that family room that you love spending time on Friday nights watching your favorite movie. Or maybe it's the kitchen where you prepare your famous Thanksgiving dinner. So we'll compile a nice video just highlighting a couple of rooms. Then we're also going to invite the neighbors in as well, because this is oftentimes people who love your area and also know people who are looking to move to the area. So it's a good idea to let them know, hey, would you like to pick your neighbor? Or maybe worse, they don't like you and they're happy to get you out. Either way, it's a good idea to let them know and have them stop by. Now, on top of that, we're also going to use social media, but it's not enough just simply to post it on our personal page. We've done lots of ads and marketing with open houses. This is when we really utilize the video and do specific ads targeted to people who are interested in the area. We know based on previous history where buyers are coming from, what they're interested in as well, and we can utilize this information to really target those who would be potential homeowners for your house. And this way, it does a couple of things. Not only can we see some more activity during the open house, but at the same time, if they are working with an agent and aren't interested in going at open houses, we're still presenting them this home where they might come through a week after. And oftentimes, this is one of those things we see. We see a push in showings the week after the open house because we flooded the market with your home, and now people are coming out to take a look at it with their realtor. So will someone come through your home and write an offer? Probably not. It's happened before and it can happen again, but by really utilizing an open house and making the most out of it, we can really help promote your house and getting it sold. So I hope you found this useful, and of course, if you have questions, feel free to give me a call. But if you want more information on the home buying process, take a look at our series here, and also YouTube thinks you'll like this video. I'm Jake Tysiak with the J Team at Keller. Thanks for watching.